Hi everyone, this is Kevin DeLeon, your learning consultant, and I wanted to make this really quick video about Mindtap and Blackboard integration. Made a couple other videos in the past, but I wanted this one to be really short, as though my customers have asked me some questions about this. So what I've done here is I've made kind of a mock Blackboard course here. Yours is probably either has less stuff in it or quite a bit more stuff in it. But I wanted to show you the process. So the cool thing about integrating Mindtap into Blackboard is that you can put any resource inside of Mindtap into any part of Blackboard that you like. So if you have your folders in Blackboard set up as week 1, week 2, week 3, or if you have them set up by chapter or by part, or even by assignment, you can put any item in Mindtap inside of anywhere that you want. So as an example here, let's say I wanted to make a content folder for week 1 called videos. Okay, so maybe this is a place that when you're covering the items that you cover in week 1, you put all of your YouTube videos or other videos that you found from places. Let's say you put them all here, okay? And inside of Mindtap, there are a lot of really great videos, and not only great videos, but a lot of them have discussion questions or assessments built into them as well in many cases. So let's say you want to add that resource for your students. What you would do is you'd come up here to Publisher Content. Yours is probably called Partner Content. And you can go to Cengage Learning Mind Links. And we're going to search a criminal justice book, actually. So we're going to search for it. Now, your list is going to be a little smaller than mine is here, okay? And so I've actually already brought this into Mindtap. So it says linked to course to help you find it, okay? And once I get there, I get to this content selector. This is the really great part and why it's so flexible. This is where I get to decide what I want to put into Mindtap. If I was putting a link that I wanted the students to just get into all of Mindtap, I could click this course level link right here, and they'd be able to get basically into the front door of Mindtap. However, if I wanted to direct them towards a specific video or a specific ebook chapter, which is right here, or a pre or a post test, or really any of the resources that are here, I can select them from here. So in this case, because this is video and it was week 1, we're going to go into chapter 1 here, and we're going to select this Boston bombings video here, okay, that's here. And we're also going to select this chapter 1, which is these video case questions. You'll also notice that next to here, it says add to gradebook. When I bring over an item that has this bubble next to it, and this box here is clicked, that means that this item will not only come into Blackboard, but it will also create a column in my Blackboard gradebook. And when students complete the exercise, those auto-graded exercises, and the results will go right into my Blackboard gradebook automatically for me so that I don't have to do it, which is really great. You can do that for any of them. If you want to bring this link over, but you don't want them to go into Blackboard gradebook, you can just unclick the box, and it's simple like that. And then I'm going to come down all the way here. Maybe I'll add a technical support link in case my students have questions. And I'm going to say confirm selections. This is what I want to bring in. Yes. It's going to then double check that that's where I want to put them inside of Blackboard. In this case, it is. It's right here. If I wanted to browse to a different folder, I could. But in this case, to make it easy, I'm going to leave it right there and click submit. And here we go. Inside my videos folder, I brought in the video of the Boston bombing. I brought in the video case questions, and I brought in a technical support link. Again, in this folder, you will probably have other videos from other places, all in the same folder. And the idea of Mindtap is we've set it up pedagogically so that your students can use all of Mindtap. However, it is also designed for you to enrich your Blackboard site. We want you to make the resources in your Blackboard site better, and we want to make it easier for your students to access them. And that is how you bring in items into Blackboard.